NDA-156 course. As you know that you can see the list of in front of you. All the students will be reporting National Defence Academy, Bangalore in the month of June. Some of the students already came here, they got the cash award. Now, today, we will have two students. One is already with us, Kaushik, and another student will be coming, Pragya and Dimri. She will be here. In this gathering, they will get the 20,000 cash award as per tradition of Doon Defence Academy. And apart from this, as you know that numbers of the students have cleared the NDA-1, CDSE and Aspirants exam recently. They all are here and they have been taking the SSB here. Today they will get also cash award as per written examination. They have cleared, they will get the 2,000 rupees cash award. I think this is the best opportunity for you all. The two candidates who have selected to NDA-156 course, they are with us. For the time being, Pragya Dimri is about to come. For the time being, Shubh Kaushik will share some experience. And you can ask any questions, you can interact with it. Okay? And first of all, clapping for the Shubh Kaushik for the achievement.
2024 in April I joined DDA, and in my first attempt I cleared NDA 2024 with the help of my teachers, especially mentioned to maths faculty Raju Pandey sir, and also other faculties also there. And after that, talking about my SSB experience in DDA, I personally thanks to Ravi Patel sir, because he helped me a lot in my GTO, and also overall faculties in SSB, there are many other sirs also, so that helped me a lot in my SSB journey. And talking about my SSB experience in my NDA-156, so just be honest and be truthful towards your point of view. If you have clear thoughts and clear vision and clear aim, so there is no particularly difficult thing in mindset. So I personally suggest you that take it easy, prepare well, and try your best. That is it.
Okay, anybody have any questions to ask?
Yes, absolutely, Sir. I wanted to ask that what was the hardest part in SSB?
I personally think that there is no particularly hardest task. If you have courage to do, so there is no particularly thing that is hard for you. If you practice well, did your best, so easily that can be done.
So actually it is off the record that he was not that much good. Okay? He was just like an ordinary chap. Didn't have versatility or any kind of exceptional talent. And he was punished multiple times when he failed to actually complete the assignments. And some of you are also trained by me, I believe. Yes, sir. And you also got the punishment, I believe. Yes, sir. So actually, that's the same thing, right? Actually, that's a common ground you have. Anyone can grow. And he also grew as such that he got All India rank 309. So the difference is that whatever the instructions you are given by the assessors, by the trainers, by the instructors that you have, he followed them. And now he got recommended 4 times, not 3 times. One time he got recommended, but actually he got medical issues that time. And the recently, consecutively, 3 times he got recommended for 2 tech and 1 non-tech, that is NDA-156. So actually it's a proud moment for all of us. The teacher who has trained him right for the written exam, and the instructor who trained him for SSB. Actually, that's the shield or any kind of medal we can have, that the boy is sitting next to us and now going to join the academy.
The time is well utilized here. You have the experiences live in front of you. What we keep talking in classes day in and day night, the outcome of those talking and interaction is in front of you through Shubh. Okay. So now you are able to correlate as to what we talk in class, how it gets translated on ground when you face the actual SSB. It's not very difficult.
She got the all-India rank 2-0. Just clapping for her. Now, she does, and Pragya will request Pragya to share some experience with the students. They are waiting for you. Come.
Good afternoon, everyone. My experience with DDA, SSB, and all I'll be sharing with you guys. First of all, when I cleared the written, I felt like I had done a great task. But then the SSB was a huge obstacle for all of us. So then I took coaching in DDA. Here I got great GTO training as well as training for interview, PPDT, and all. My main strategy for SSB was that I just wanted to be real. I wanted to be real with the interviewers, with the assessors, because I think the biggest flaw that they can find in you is you lying. So I just thought that whoever I am, I'll just show that to them. And if I want to say something to the interviewers that this is what I am, like this is the kind of person I am. So I just thought I will become that person in the time that I have, so that even when I tell them that this is what I do, I'm a helpful, generous person, then that will sound real if I'm implementing that in my real life as well. Other than that, there was no great strategy which I used in SSB. I practiced a lot, especially in the GK parts, because my GK was not that strong. So I read newspaper daily, I did a lot of quizzes, and I saw the channels, I worked a lot on my geopolitics. And I thought that till the time my SSB came on, I was pretty great in all of them, so I just went and did my best. Thank you.
What was the best part that you liked during SSB?
I think I had a lot of fun during SSB. Like my SSB was 24 SSB Bangalore, and the rifleman there, the assessors there, the technical officer there, the friends I made there, all of them, like they were very friendly. I think for me it was one of the best SSB. And the best part was talking with the people, especially when all the tasks of the day are done, and then you're just sitting with the other candidates and discussing. That was the best part for me.
Alright, lady, congratulations on your plan.
Thank you so much.
And it's been a long journey and a very beautiful journey, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And actually, when did you decide to join army?
So I decided to join army when I was in class 6.
Time ago?
Yeah.
What inspired you actually?
So, like I grew up in Dehradun, so I used to go for hiking, trekking, and I would see the different aspirants or the different cadets training there, and I wanted to be one of them. So I wanted to be in the army and be one of them.
Good. So good journey actually. Armed forces opened the entry for the girls, and that's a good thing for you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How did you psychology? How did you target and how did you prepare for it?
For the psychology, I didn't prepare a lot for the psychology, because then my stories will look like I have pre-decided what I want to say. So I practiced TAT stories, especially the TAT stories that are a bit different. Like you have to specifically search TAT stories for girls, because they are quite different from the TAT stories for boys. So I practiced them, and then WAT and SRT, like those went really good.
Okay, so what were the questions in your conference?
My conference was like around 1 minute. They just asked me how was your trip here, what books do you like to read, and then they just checked me around my mind.
So when you have conference concise, it means that you're clearly in or you're clearly out. Right? We had a lot on it in the class 2 where you were asked simple questions in the conference. It means you're clearly in or you're clearly out. And you proved that you were clearly in. Right? Okay, so that was it. And we congratulate you, right? And we're really happy for you that you're going to NDA. Okay? And will become the finest officer. Okay, which quality do you think that actually makes you special? If you have to define yourself in one word.
My confidence.
That's good. Okay, so that's it. And one more tap on that lady.
Okay, Jai Hind everyone. Basically, that met and interacted with our two students of NDA-156 course, Pragya and Shubh Kaushik. Now, basically, we are the students for the cash award. As you know that the two students of NDA-156 will be getting the 20,000 cash award as per tradition to Doon Defence Academy. Before this, we got the students recently cleared the NDA-1, CDSE and Aspirants examinations. Now time has come for the cash award. I request Director Sir, Pratham Sir and all faculty staff please come forward. Okay, we will start from mock test. Basically mock test students are here. I will just read out the name. Anmol Deep Singh for the mock test. Second questions. 2,000 rupees. Okay, now again Jitendra, weekly test. And he got the mock test, third question. Now quickly the students will clear the CDSE examination. First student Krishna Parihar. Next one, DDA-1, Kuldeep. The cash award. NDA-1 2026, Jitendra. Anmol Deep Singh, NDA 2026. Once Allahabad, excellent. Next, Pratham Singh. NDA-1 Dax Pawar. Next, Jason Prajapati. Next, NDA-1 Sambhav Kumar. Okay, now I'm calling the students to be selected for NDA-156 course. And they will be reporting NDA Kadakwasla in June 2026. First students, Pragya Dimri. All India rank 20. Selected from 24 SSB Bangalore. Just standing up. Next, so Kaushik, Olina rank 309. So Kaushik, selected from 18 SSB board, Allahabad.
शुभ कौशिक तीन जगह सेलेक्ट हुआ है, यानी तीन जगह, एक एनडीए, एक आर्मी टैग एक नेवी टैग। तो इसने सोचा कि 60,000 मिल जाएंगे, 20, 60 हो जाएंगे, लेकिन ये अभी एनडीए ज्वाइन कर रहा है तो 20। लेकिन बहुत बड़ी बात है, एक लड़का 3 ले रहा है, इसके लिए जोरदार तालियां लगाया। पूरे डून डिफेंस अकेडमी के स्टाफ, फैकल्टी सभी की तरफ से, स्टूडेंट की तरफ से आप दोनों को स्पेशली बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद हो। कितने लोग, कितने बच्चे सपना देखते हैं, तो आखिर आज आपको वो मंजिल मिल गई है जिसके लिए आप कब से ट्राई कर रहे थे। ओनली एडवाइस इज कि आप इनिशियली जब आप जाओगे तो पता है रगड़ा शुरू हो जाएगा, राइट। इंजरी मत कर लेना, नहीं तो दिक्कत हो जाती है। मैं सीरियस नोट बता रहा हूँ, पार्टिसिपेट करना है समझ नहीं, बस देख लीजिए, क्योंकि एक बार डेलीगेट हो गए तो 6 मंथ ऐसे 50 से हो जाते हैं, जनरली होता है, राइट। बाकी नेक्स्ट नंबर इनका है, अभी आप लोग एनडीए और क्वालिफाई किए गए टेस्ट, फिर आपका एसएसबी होगा और उसके बाद ये 2000 20,000 में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है सब टू, राइट। और आप जो सामने बैठे हैं पॉसिबल है, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल, राइट। ओनली थिंग इज इन्होंने अपना जर्नी थोड़ा बहुत बताया होगा, अपने मेंटोर पे, अपने पे यकीन रखो, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, और जिस तरह से भी आपको बता रहे हैं उसको फॉलो करते रहो। यूपीएससी का एग्जाम और एनडीए तक या आईएमए तक पहुंचना इज नॉट ए स्प्रिंट, इससे मैराथन। स्लोली ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ते रहोगे तो पहुंच जाओगे, और एक साथ शुरू में भागने की कोशिश करोगे तो नहीं पहुंच जाओगे। सिंपल है, अपनी कंसिस्टेंसी बनाए रखो और जरूर एक ना एक दिन यहाँ तक पहुंचोगे जिससे ये पहुंचे। इन्हीं के बैच के बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट पहले कैरियर आए थे, वहाँ पे हमने उनको अवार्ड दिया था, उस टाइम पे जो लोग आ नहीं पाए थे। नेक्स्ट आपका है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट आपका है। एनडीए का फॉर्म ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुका है, नोटिफिकेशन सबको बताइए। तो कोर्स 3 के कैडेट्स हैं, सितंबर 13 सितंबर आपका दिन हो सकता है, होगा, राइट। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और ऐसे ही खुश रहो, मस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और लक्ष्य को जैसे इन्होंने पा लिया, लक्ष्य को थैंक यू सो मच।
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.